Hello everyone, my name is Damdolo, and today's topic we are going to talk about support and resistance. As, as we all know, we only have support and resistance markets. You can call it support and resistance or demand and supply. If you, if you hear demand and supply, it's still the same thing with support and resistance. And our previous lesson, we talk about candlestick. We talk about different type of candlestick where we where we talk about hammer candlestick, morning star, evening star, we talk about shooting star, and I show you guys where we can find shooting star in our charts. If you see hammer candle in downtrend and some candle and some characteristics, what you should be expecting in market, and whenever you see shooting star, what you should be expecting next in market. From there, I think we talk about Graphistone candlestick, and we still talk about I think we talk about indecision candlestick. You can go to our channel to watch it, where we talk about all those candlestick. Once again, today's topic we are going to talk about support and resistance. I'm still remain your humble guy, Damilola. Thanks for always coming. If today is your first time coming across our channel, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share for your loved ones. You can share to many group as you want. God bless you as you do that. So in today's topic, I will show you different support and resistance in our chart. So which I believe after today's class, you will be able to identify support and resistance wherever you see ones in your chart. And first of all, what is support? Support is where buyers are willing to buy, while resistance is where while resistance is where sellers are willing to sell. And I will use offline market to illustrate what I mean by support and resistance before I move on to use chart. Now let assume you are into business offline. Maybe you are selling rice, you are selling beans, you are selling anything sha. Let's use gadgets. We all know that once dollar price come down, gadgets, electronics, motors, the price will reduce. Some of us prefer when price reduce, then we buy anything we want to buy that time. Dat place is what I can call support. And maybe by luck, by chance, you have someone in your environment that give you an information price is going to crash. Let assume you buy your gadget at rate of 5 naira, and dollar pump dat gadget, the same gadget you buy at rate of $5, within 2 months price go up to $10 and you still have that gadget with you and you have someone around you that tell you dollar is going to crash back, gadget price is going to go down. By then you you see someone around you that want to buy that thing you hold, then you sell it. That's resistance. You already sell it and price go down back to your original price you bought that thing. So let's move on to our chart so I can show you what I mean by support. For definition for support is where buyers are willing to buy. So as we can see this chart, let me close this one, let me delete this one. As you can see this chart, market is going downtrend from here to here, downtrend. And once market reach here, it started to consolidate. Then go to your higher time frame to check maybe price is in demand zone, I mean support zone, because as you can see this is it, because you cannot use one support to determine the market. You need to look for 2 to 3 support level for you to determine okay this market is at support level or resistance level. So this our support level. You can see it like this. This our support level. Support level. This our support level. So this support one, another support here. So it give us like valid reason for us to be convinced that okay this market is at the support level. So let us check, maybe we are going to find another support level. If you check this place, this is another one as you can see. So making 3. So making 3. These are support level. So these are support level. leg one, leg two, leg three. So when market reach dis place, it goes up, den comes back. It goes up when market reach dis leg two, den comes down to take leg three, den goes up. Dis what we call support level. So here let's look for another support level here. um dis another support level from here to here. Dis leg one, leg two, leg three support level. So once you see your market at the support level, just find some candlestick or your mode of entry to enter market and set your stop loss below last candle. I hope you guys understand. So let me look for another support level. Dis is another support level. As you can see, dis is another support level. One, two, three. That's another support level. Dis is another support level, but it comes back for retracement before it started going up. So dis another support level. One, two, three. So you cannot just use one leg as support level. No, you can't. It's either you find two leg, three leg, four leg. Minimum is two leg before you can call that place your support level. Remember, support level is the place where buyer are ready to buy market. So here, just find entry here, enter market, set your stop loss below last candle, then your TP, maybe your target is 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, 1:2, depend on your risk reward management. So dis our support level. If you have any question, you can drop it under comment or drop it for me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Feel free to ask any question you want to ask. So dis our support level, and here another support level, as you can see, and here we have another support level, as you can see. So that is it for support level. Then let's go for resistance or supply. Don't forget, support level and demand zone is the same thing. If you hear support level, if you hear demand zone, both things are the same thing, the same meaning. Demand zone, support level, the same thing. So let's go for resistance. So here here is our resistance, and always remember definition for resistance, which I said resistance is the place where sellers are ready to sell market. Sellers are fully ready to go into market and sell it. Once they confirm this market is going to sell, this our resistance or supply zone. So as you can see, this leg one, this leg two. So two leg make it to confirm that's our resistance or supply zone. So let's go into market and look for another. Here is another resistance one, two. So another resistance. I believe you guys are still with me. So this is another resistance. This is another resistance. As you can see, once market form two leg, then market going down. So that's another resistance. And one more thing before we close today's tutorial, always remember our resistance can turn to support depend on how market movement. Then our support can turn to resistance. So let me go into market and show you what I mean by our support can turn to resistance, then our resistance can turn to support. So let me come here. Here, according to what I teach you guys before, here is our resistance, right? Here before here is our supply zone. But when market reach this supply zone, it come down a little bit and form another double leg here, which is our support. So then market going up break this resistance. Once market break this resistance, which is our support, which is our supply zone, once market break it, this place has turned to support zone. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Let me rephrase that place. Here is our demand zone before. Here is our demand zone before. Here is our demand zone. So let assume you as a trader I enter dis place and market reach our supply zone here, den it come down for retest, den form another double leg here which is our support or demand zone. Den it move up break dis supply zone. Once market break dis supply zone, den it has turn to support. Here market has turn to support zone. Market has turn to support zone here. You will see when market reach dis support zone, it started to consolidate. Maybe it's going to break down and clear dis imbalance, or it's going to go up. So dat reason why I say support zone can turn to resistance, while resistance can turn to supply. So if you have any question, kindly comment. If there is any place you don't understand the way I explain it, kindly comment. You can still redo the video or message me on my telegram or my WhatsApp channel. I can still explain further if you don't understand what I mean by support and resistance. So thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Damilola. Our next video we are going to talk about trend line, how to draw our trend line, how to draw perfect trend line. So because we have different type of watch out for our next video. Thank you so much. God bless you.